Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our fun yoga time. Today, we're going to stretch, balance, and become flexible. Are you ready? Roll out your mat, stand tall, and let's begin our yoga adventure. Let's sit like a strong, quiet hero. Heels down, back straight, hands on knees. Stay super still. Can you be as calm as a statue? Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let's build a tall pyramid. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Stand strong. Now slowly fold down like a melting pyramid. Stay still. Can you balance without wobbling? Very nice. Now stay there on the other side. Let's play the balance game. Lift one leg up, don't let it fall. Can you stay steady like a flamingo? No wobbling. Hold, and breathe. Very nice. Now stay there on the other side. Let's become a glowing half moon in the sky. One hand down, one leg up, stretch wide. Can you balance without falling? Stay steady like a moon in the night. Very nice. Now stay there on the other side. Let's be a super strong bridge. Don't let your hips drop. Stay straight. Can you hold like a superhero? Stay strong. Don't shake. Keep breathing. Let's be a strong side bridge. Lift your hips up high. Don't let them fall. Can you stay super strong without wobbling? Hold it, keep breathing. Very nice. Now stay there on the other side. Sit on the mat and lift your legs up. Stretch your arms forward like you're sailing in a boat. Keep your back straight and balance. Hold it, breathe in, and breathe out. Let's become a clever crow. Hands down, knees on arms. Get ready to fly. Lean forward. Can your feet lift off the ground? Don't fall. Stay steady. Keep breathing. Lie on your tummy and bend your knees. Hold your ankles with your hands. Now lift your chest and legs up like a big bow. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Let's build a big bridge. Lift your hips. Can a toy car pass under? Stay strong and don't let the bridge fall. Hold it. Keep breathing. Lie down on your back and make your body very comfortable. Keep your legs relaxed and your hands by your side. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your whole body becoming soft, calm, and quiet. Amazing job, little yogis! You did all the poses so well today. Give yourself a big smile and a clap. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun yoga adventures.